Creating a Tipalti account involves a few steps to get your business set up for streamlined global payments. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up. Visit the website. Go to the Tipalti website. Request a demo. Since Tipalti often requires a consultation before setting up an account, click on Request a demo and fill in the required details, such as your name, email, company name, and phone number. Wait for contact. A Tipalti representative will contact you to discuss your business needs and provide a demonstration of the platform's capabilities. Consultation and proposal. Consultation call. Engage in a consultation call with a Tipalti representative. They will discuss your business requirements, payment volumes, and integration needs. Receive proposal. After understanding your needs, Tipalti will provide a tailored proposal including pricing and service details. Onboarding. Agreement. Review and sign the service agreement provided by Tipalti. Access credentials. Once the agreement is signed, you will receive access credentials for your Tipalti account. Account configuration. Set up company profile. Log into your Tipalti account and complete your company profile by entering business information, tax details, and banking information. Define payment methods. Configure the payment methods you want to offer. Integrate systems. API integration. If necessary, integrate Tipalti with your existing ERP, accounting software, or e-commerce platform using Tipalti's API. Test environment. Use the test environment to ensure integrations and workflows are correctly set up. Training and support. Training session. Participate in training sessions offered by Tipalti to familiarize yourself with the platform. Customer support. Utilize Tipalti's customer support for any questions or issues during the setup process. Go live. Finalize setup. Complete any final configurations and verify all payment workflows are functioning correctly. Start processing payments. Begin using Tipalti to process payments to your suppliers and partners.